Hello everyone and welcome back to another Python video. In this video we're going to be talking about method chaining in Python. So method chaining is basically just calling methods sequentially. So the first method will execute, then the one after, then after, then after, in terms of the order where you order them in basically when you're calling them. So for example, I'll teach you this with an example. We have a class routine. So basically this is going to go with along with the morning routine of the normal person, and I'll type in the code for each of the functions and I'll get back to you. So now we have four functions: wake up, eat, drive, work. So this is gonna print this person is now awake, this person is now eating breakfast, driving to work, this person is now at work and working. So this is all good, but now if we try to call one of the functions like uh routine. Oh, also I made an object for the class so we can use it. So routine work. So if we run this, you're gonna see that it says this person is now awake, this person is now eating breakfast, driving to work, and at work and working. So if you see, we had to type routine dot before each one, and that could maybe not be beneficial in your case, or maybe you just want them to be one tap and right after the other one, and this isn't good for that. So this is where method chaining comes in handy, and you can do that with by deleting that and then say routine dot wake up and then dot drive, and then you run it, but you'll encounter an error, and this is because of the non-type. So basically, when you don't have any return value in a function, Python returns none, and when it returns none, that means it's not a part of um, the class or object anymore. So that's not good. So to do that, to fix this issue, you want to return self for each and every one. And let me just copy paste this into here. And if we try it again, it should work. Yes, there we go. And dot drive. So you wake up and eat first, then you drive to work, then you work. And this is the routine. And as you can see, they happen sequentially. You wake up, eat, drive, and work. And it gets a bit harder to read if you do it like this, all in one line. So in order to fix that, you can just press enter after each function call, and it will add this. And this is basically like an escape new line character. Basically, like it's telling the code that just perform this how you would if all of this was on the same line. So it's like as if there's no new line here. So that's basically it for method chaining in Python. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. As always, the full code will be posted in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.